passing by this monstrous Proctor & Gamble facility down here in Mehoopany, or is this Mashot? No, this is Mehoopany, right?
Mehoopany,
yeah. Williamsport.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Whoa, that one I like. Just pouring out. And the noise, yeah.
Wait, he said.
Same things, yeah. I hate that noise.
Oh yeah, yeah, good.
This is P&G, Proctor & Gamble, Mehoopany, Pennsylvania. Huge place. Thousands of workers.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like a. Wow.
How do you get out of here?
Yeah. Yeah, right. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Okay, if we don't get arrested. Video in the Procter & Gamble paper products. Treating
Treating nature as a customer.
Like, yeah, like what? What the hell? Where? What? Say what?
You mean they're just using all the wood up in Pennsylvania for the products?
My camera won't work. I don't know what's going on. Gas processing plant here. Look at that. We got a couple of dehydrators and other crap. A windsock. What do they have a windsock?
To tell you
there
where
for?
the emissions go. What direction?
What direction?
Yeah, all the compressor stations have windsocks.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the poison is flowing to the south.
It looks
right
like a compressor station. Look at that. Look
It
at
is.
the top.
It's a compressor station. It is.
Why do they have a compressor station here?
Well, because they got
need
gas wells here.
I know, but this might be a private one. I don't see any sign.
Well, pretty sure. I'm guessing it is.
Oh yeah, it might be connected with them. I see no sign saying what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, baby.
8 stacks on it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Huh. I could walk over there and take some pictures.
Absolutely.
I think I gotta do it.
Okay, I'm just praying we make it out of here alive. Proctor and Gamble near them in Mehoopany.
Yeah.
I like saying Mehoopany.
Yeah, it's an interesting sound. Let's see what the sign has to say. Energy transfer. So it's not private. It's owned by Energy Transfer.
Well, that other one we saw was Energy Transfer. What did we see that was Energy Transfer on the way down here?
Baker Herky Road. Yeah, look at that.
Safety first.
I can smell it now.
You can smell mercaptan?
Smell something. They don't have mercaptan usually at compressor stations. Stinky. Oh yeah, stuff is coming out of the flare stack. Gonna get close here. Yeah, look, the stuff is pouring out of the stack.
The thing to which stack?
The black stack.
Really?
Yep.
So it's got a little pilot lit, apparently. It's ready to go in case they need to dump it. That's a great zoom. Jesus, look at that. Confined space.
Mm-hmm.
And that thing to the next to it, it's got this round silver thing, and then it's got a little stack. That's a reboiler.
Yeah.
That's
right.
the glycol reboiler, I think.
Yeah, stuff pouring out of there too.
Yeah, wow, look at that. It's amazing what that cleaner can do.
But now let me see the stuff on the roof.
If you drive around to the back, you should
I'm going
see
to,
the
yeah.
stuff. Could those be electric compressors?
But I smell stuff, but
That's more. Oh, you can go down here and make a left.
It's called Warren Marcellus LLC. Hi.
Help you folks?
Yeah, looking at everything here. Taking pictures.
Is this a public road?
This is public, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just taking pictures. I document gas and oil operations in our area.
Okay.
And I'm a citizen, part of a citizen group.
Okay.
And what about the road up over the bridge? Is that public also?
That's private.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
So I have to stop here?
Yes.
I can't go any further?
I'm seeing a sign that says do not enter.
There's nothing, I can't go over the bridge? Paper road, okay. Let's see, who is the manufacturer? Consumptive water use.
Well, if you want to go straight, that's private, but anything right.
Huh. So it's Wyoming. Oh, this is the P&G one.
Township.
This is one of theirs, yeah.
He was kind of cool.
Yeah.
He just like, okay.
P&G one. Okay. And that was consumptive water. And let's see if I take a picture of this. Evacuation route after these signs. That's good. They have some kind of evacuation plan if something goes boom. That's right next to the compressor station. So where is this well? Is somewhere up here. Where's the entrance to the well? Somewhere up here maybe.
That's the well entrance. That's the
Oh, okay. Here. And what's this sign say? Oh, it's cemetery here.
Yeah, we should just probably turn around here.
Yeah.
Cemetery.
Yeah. Well, that's the entrance to the well site. And it says on their warning speed limit, 15 miles per hour on that access road. And then they have some kind of cemetery here. What's it called? Kearney Cemetery. Sunset. Nice sunset. And all kinds of fencing here. Okay, then we see the smoke.
Oh, United for Action.
What is that?
Shared raise thing.
Okay, cool. Looks like steam coming from inside the earth.